Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and in good health. In this video, I'm going to tell you the correct way to download iOS 26, previously known as iOS 19. As usual, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new videos, God willing. Let's break this video into two parts, and make sure you listen carefully to these very important points before you start downloading the iOS 26 version. First thing I want to clarify is, if you're planning to install this version, it's better to install it on a device that's not your main one. Why am I saying this? Because the first beta version is for developers, and it's very likely to have bugs, freezing, performance issues, or battery drain. Some apps, like banking apps, might not work properly with this beta version, so please be extra careful before proceeding with the installation. Second point, if you've decided to go ahead and install iOS 26, make sure your device has at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free space. Why is that important? Because if your storage is low and you start the update without realizing it, the process might crash. Your device could freeze or get stuck on the Apple logo, and you won't be able to exit that mode. In that case, you could lose your data, which brings us to the third point. Third point, if you're going to install the beta version, you must back up your data, either on your computer or your iPhone. The process is simple. Go to Settings, then tap your Apple ID name, scroll down to iCloud, and find iCloud Backup. Create a backup from there. If your iCloud storage is full and you can't buy more, then it's better to back up your device using iTunes on your computer. This is extremely important, especially if you're using the beta version on your primary device. Next point, once you install this beta version, it's normal to face things like overheating, lagging, random app crashes, or freezes. That's expected in the first beta release, so just be aware of that. Final point, if you upgrade to iOS 26 and later want to go back to iOS 18, unfortunately, you won't be able to downgrade using just your phone. In that case, you'll need a computer to restore the device to iOS 18. Now, let me explain the types of iOS versions available. The version launching on Monday is the developer beta, for developer accounts only. The public beta version will be released about a month later, and it's more stable with fewer bugs. Regular users can try it safely. The official version of iOS 26 will be released when iPhone 17 launches, which is expected in September, God willing. Okay, final thing before I let you go. How do you actually install the beta version or switch your account to a developer account? If you've previously installed beta versions, like iOS 18, then you'll already see the iOS 26 beta appear. Just go to Settings, General, Software Updates. You'll see the Beta Options option there. Tap it, and iOS 26 will be listed. Refresh and restart your device, and the update will be available. If you're not enrolled in the beta program, click the link I left in the video description or the pinned comment. It'll take you to Apple's developer site. All you need to do is log in with your Apple ID or iCloud account. Click Sign Up, and once you're signed in, the iOS 26 beta will appear in your software update section, without needing a computer or complex steps. But remember, if you ever want to go back to iOS 18, you'll need a computer. You can't downgrade using the iPhone alone. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for another strong video where I'll review the top features of iOS 26. See you in the next one. Salam.